People from all over the world are making money with this strategy every couple of hours through different payment options. This is a free and easy strategy that you can try even as a beginner. If you have a smartphone device, then this tutorial is perfect for you, because by downloading this app, which is available for both iOS and Android, you can actually make money for unlimited times. And it doesn't matter where you're coming from, because this is available worldwide. If you want to make it work, then make sure to watch this video until the end, because I explain everything step by step, so stay tuned for that. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden World with notifications on, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. This is the app that we are going to use today that will help us getting paid with this strategy, and the best thing is that it is available on both Google Play Store and also on App Store. So it doesn't really matter if you have an iOS or Android device, because it is going to work for you. You can also use a laptop or computer, but the goal of this tutorial is to make money by your smartphone while you're outside or in your bed. It doesn't really matter, because you can bring your phone anywhere. With that said, what I want you to do right now is to go over the website that will pay us today, which is called app-load.io. File sharing made easy. This is an app where you can upload different files for absolutely free. As you can see, you will get 50 gigabytes of free storage, which is pretty good, and you have unlimited upload speed. All users can upload with unlimited speed, no matter the size of the files you're uploading. And if you're wondering how is this going to make you money, let me explain to you. By uploading different files on here, this website will pay you whenever someone downloads your file. And you can see that there have been uploaded over 2 million of files, and over 25,000 of users are making money with those files. And let me show you the payment proof so you can see that this website is 100% legit and will get you paid. You just need to click on payment proof up here, and then you're going to see all of these different people that are making money every couple of hours with different payment options like PayPal, Payeer, Web Money, and so on and so forth. And you can do the same thing and get paid no matter where you're coming from, because this website accepts people from anywhere in the world. And if you go over to the Make Money section up here, you'll see some features of this website. First of all, the minimum payout is $3. Which is increasing depending on payout method. And you can choose from different payment options like PayPal, Payeer, Web Money, and also from cryptocurrency, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and also Payeer. And you can get paid daily. We pay daily, average 24 hours to maximum 7 days, except weekends and holidays. Here you can see how much money you can make depending on where you're coming from. And this also proves that it works worldwide, as you can see right here. And if you're wondering why you're getting paid, it is because when people click to download your file, they will be first redirected to a page with ads, and then they will be able to download the file. So this website splits the ad revenue with you. With all of that said, what you need to do now, so you can start sharing files and get paid per each download, is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking on the sign up button up here. And then you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, retype the password, then the payment information, and you can choose from PayPal, Payeer, Web Money, Bitcoin, and also Payoneer. After that, just confirm that you're not a robot by completing this CAPTCHA and click on register. It's going to take you less than 1 minute. And remember that you can do all of this even with your smartphone device only. So right now I'm using the desktop version because it is easier to explain. Now what you need to do is to click on Start Uploading Now right here. And it's going to take you over to this page where you can start uploading different files, and whenever someone downloads the file for free, you'll get paid. So they don't need to pay or to sign up to anything, they just need to download the file, and I'm going to show you how you can find people to click on it so you can maximize your earnings. And the more files you upload, the more money you can make. Now it's time to show you how to find those files to upload on this website. What you need to do is to go once again over to Google Play Store or over to App Store, depending on the device that you are using, and search for Pexels and download this absolutely free app. This app allows you to download thousands upon thousands of different images and videos for free, which you can then re-upload to any platform you want. As you can see, the Pexel apps gives you unlimited access to over 3 million free high-resolution photos and videos. So you can download those free images and videos for free from Pexels and re-upload them on the other website, and stay tuned to see how to maximize your earnings. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using the desktop version and I'm over at Pexels.com, which is the Pexels official website. So if you're going to use the desktop version just like me, just go over to the search bar right here and search for a particular category or keyword. And let's say, for example, I will search for finance. It is going to show me all of these different photos which I can choose from. And to show you an example, I'm going with this one right here, so I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on the free download button, and you're going to see that it's going to be immediately downloaded on my computer. Now just go back on app-load.io and upload that picture by clicking on here when it says click here to select. And then after uploading that file here, people will be able to download it, and when they do, you'll get paid. But what you can do in order to maximize your results is not only to rely on app-load.io, but you can actually share the file with other people. Here you have the link of your uploaded file that you can copy right here, and then if you want to, you can go over to bit.ly.com so you can shorten your link in order for it to look more better and more professional. So just paste it right here, then click on shorten, and then just copy your link here. Now you can share it with people. And to drive traffic to your link, you can share it on different Make Money Online groups on Facebook. There you can find thousands of members, or on different social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and so on. Or you can even find some Make Money Online forums on Google. Here you have the code for forums, so you can copy it and share it on those forums. And the more people you get to download the free file using your link, the more money you'll make, obviously. It's pretty simple. Just download the Pexels app from Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using. Or if you are using the desktop version, just go over to Pexels.com, then get some free files from Pexels and re-upload them on app-load.io, and then start making money whenever someone downloads the file. It is obviously not going to make you rich and cannot replace your main source of income, but it's a simple way to get some extra cash. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.